Hello darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're subscribed, thank you for doing that. Thank you all for your love and your support. So darlings, today is going to be a quick tutorial, and today that we're going to be making this new thread turban. And so this is the material I've been needing for this project. Sorry if I'm a little bit fast, and for those of you that complain on my voice, I think I can't shout more than this, but I'm going to try to speak up. So this is it. I have my velvet this is the my velvet sequence. Can you see? I've already pull it out. Just the wideness, you can make the wideness, and you just look at it. That's 12 inches folded into two. Then you're going to sew that part in, and for the full length we're going to be having what I'm going to be having that full length to be having 27. You can make the full length 25, and you can make it 27. It depends on your client's sizes. That's 6 by 5. So you're going to, this is the loop part, you're going to close that part. You close that part and you turn it out just the way I'm going to turn this out. Can you see? So this turban, just add this to your business, and you turn this one to out just like the way we turned the first one out. So just look at this. So if you are new here, welcome. Just take a look at this. The next thing we'll be doing now, we're going to be, just look at it. Just look my previous videos on how to make turban base, turban cap. If you are beginners, if you don't know how to make cap, turban cap, just go to my videos, my previous videos. I have a lot of videos on how to make turban cap. And the next thing you're going to be doing now, you're going to be, can you see, from the center, the middle of the sequence, just close that part. Then you're going to turn it in. You close that part, close it, secure that part. Can you see? Then you're going to turn this sewing, you're going to turn it in. Make sure you the sewing, make sure you cover the sewing. Can you see? This is so easy to do. See what we are doing. Can you see, darlings? And this we'll be doing right now, we're going to be, that's the turban cap. So the next thing we'll be doing now, I'm going to be looking for the center, so I'm going to fix that to it. So before I fix that to it, I'm going to take this back. You can also run this as head pad. You can also make this as just head pad. You close that part, you secure that part. You can sew it on your sewing machine. You can use the needle and thread to secure that part. I think using needle and thread is the best. Can you see? Using needle and thread is the best. You can put this on the sewing machine and you sew it. It's a sequence turban, so you have to be very careful when sewing it. So I'll prefer you using needle and thread to secure that part. See what we are doing? Can you see? It's so easy to do. We're going to cut that part out, then we're going to turn it just like this. You secure that part, sew it in and out. Can you see, darlings? You're going to sew it in and out. And the next thing we're going to be doing right now, we're going to be placing it on our turban cap. We're going to be placing on our turban cap. Can you see? I've placed on the turban cap, and the back of the turban sequence, the back of the velvet sequence is going to face the back of the turban cap. Then you're going to tack it with your needle. You secure that part with your needle and thread. If you don't want to secure it with needle and thread, you can take it to your sewing machine and you sew it just like that. You sew it, make sure your sewing is very, very strong. You sew it in and out, in and out. And before you sew it in and out, you can just take it to your tummy's head. You can take it to your head and see how fitting it is. So it's going to be so tight. So you're going to use a needle and thread to do this in and out. Can you see what we are doing? You're going to secure that part just in and out. Can you see what we are doing? In and out. If you are doing this for a child, that means you're going to reduce the length to a child length. So we secure that part with a needle and thread. So we keep doing that. Can you see? If you have any questions to ask me, just drop your question. I will be willing to answer your question. So just cut that part out. Just see what we're doing. Can you see? Like I said earlier, this is a quick tutorial. Can you see? We are done. This is so easy. Just add this to your business. It's so easy. So the next thing we'll be doing now is that we will just see what we're going to be doing now. Just look at what we're going to be doing now. So the next thing we're going to be at the center of the pile, I'm going to be adding this to it. I'm going to be adding this to it. This is our accessory. Just add that to. So darlings, I've already had that to it. I use my hot glue to do that part, to secure that part. Because I see, I use my hot glue to secure that part. Just add your hot glue to it. Can you see? Just see what we are doing. Next we'll be doing now, I'll be showing you how to wear this, and you're going to just look at it. Just make sure you have your turban under. You can use your turban lifter under it. Can you see? That's the back of our turban. We're going to put this in just like this. Can you see? Wow. Can you see how it look on my head? You can just decided to add your accessory to the one side, so just look at it. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like my videos, share my videos with friends and family. If you are new here, thank you. To my old subscriber, thank you so much. I still remain your favorite as Menah. Can you see? Wow, so I'm loving this. I'll be seeing you next on my next video.